Let us present you the unique Revitalize Professional Serum Booster. This cutting-edge serum has the power of Epidermal Growth Factor to stimulate dermal repair and enhance the skin's self-regeneration. Therefore, it is perfect for regenerating scar tissues, stopping acne formation, and promoting hair matrix growth on the scalp, beard, and eyebrows. Epidermal Growth Factor is a naturally occurring protein composed of 53 amino acids widely present in the skin that stimulate cell growth and proliferation. Revitalize Booster is non-injectable and comes in 4 ampoules of 1 ml each. When you are using Revitalize Booster serum, it is important to know that this serum can't be used on its own. It only works synergistically with other serums for comprehensive skin rejuvenation. Using it alone will cause irritation. It should be mixed with either Revitalize Pure or with Revitalize Hair Serum. We are preparing 2 ml Revitalize Pure Serum and 1 ml Revitalize Booster Serum to show you how you can mix it either in a syringe or you can also mix it in the vial. First, we are going to prepare the booster ampoule by breaking the glass. Here we have 2 ml Revitalize Pure, and for that we are going to draw out 1 ampoule of booster to mix it evenly. Leave place in the syringe and start shaking it. You can see in the syringe when it is already mixed properly. Pull out the air and you can put back the needle cap until you start the procedure. A Revitalize Booster is suitable for application on the hands, face, neck, décolleté, scalp and body. For the best results, use the mixed booster every week for 8 sessions in a row. Maintaining protocol is 1 session every month. For the booster serum, the microneedling technique obtains the best aesthetic results with the less trauma for the patient, but it can be also used with other types of aesthetic devices that are authorized in your location in your country, such as mesogun, electroporation device or ultrasound device. We recommend watching our other educational videos, which is essential when we are talking about microneedling treatments. We have videos about before care to-dos, the different microneedling techniques, treatment steps, and the aftercare. Furthermore, you will also find separate videos for each of our Revitalize serums where we take the most important information in details. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, follow us on Instagram at MyMedAesthetics, Facebook at MyMedAesthetic, YouTube MyMedAesthetics for more educational videos.